Ka Thomas Jones Syllad College Jowai lingba ka National Service Scheme NSS Unit kala pelong ya ka jialang berpersya di duma ne World No Tobacco Day arhajar arpulai halor kapang mai Meghalaya Tobacco Free Tobacco ya ka jialang la penyat da UEH Lamin NSS Program Officer ha ka jingdan lang u principal ka college u Dr. DG Lingdo bat ya ka jing batai benia halor ka jingma jong u duma la batai da ka rio shampang ka Dr. BT Hing Ayurvedic Physician Jowai Civil Hospital Yalong hahol ka Thomas Jones Syllad College ha kasngi balang UEH Lamin NSS Program Officer ha ka jingkran matpang ulaong ka World No Tobacco Day ka day ka ialap persya ya uduma bat ban ai jihikai ne pensai sabaro ki samla puli bat kipad ba nong song snong ba ka jing pendankam ya uduma kawanra ka jingma bat jingpang bampong ne cancer
Tobacco Free Meghalaya, in which the government of Meghalaya also has taken up the steps in order to be part of the celebration or the observation of the World Tobacco Day, to create awareness to the public, to the communities, to the students, and each and everyone, because as we all know that consumption of tobacco has led us to many type of disease or cancer. And in today's program, we are also very happy that we're having with us our resource person who will enlighten us on this topic. This year we have a theme which says that we need food, not tobacco. So one of the main reasons is because of the heavy consumption or uses of tobacco, which has been causing around not only our health, but it also has causing us economically.
Ka Dr. BT Hing Ayurvedic Physician Jowai Civil Hospital Yalong kalabatay benia siya pang gajingma kabala banyo na kababam bat di duma bat hagaju kapor kabawanra ya ka jingsniew ya ka kot kakya jong ubrio.
The scientific name is Nicotiana tobacco, and this plant is planted first for what? Everything is planted first for good thing only. It was planted first for the purpose of medicinal plants, like for helping the patients, especially they use it for painkiller and also as a stimulant, etc. But later, tobacco is turned into a cigar or a cigarette, and from that time it has been used in a different way, no more in a medicinal way. So when cigar or cigarette and other tobacco products came, we can see a lot of tobacco products like khynnah, raja, and all those small package or sachets which we can have in the market, which contains tobacco. So what is there in this tobacco which made it so dangerous? In tobacco or in cigar or in any tobacco product, there is a drug named nicotine. Nicotine, nicotine. Some says nicotine, but I say nicotine. Nicotine is a toxic substance which is like similar to a drug. Okay, it is a toxic substance which is similar to a drug, and we cannot see it when we take a tobacco leaf or whatever is there in the cigarette or cigar. We cannot see, we cannot identify which is nicotine, but it is believed to be a toxin which is colorless. Sometimes it is yellowish oily liquid which is present in a tobacco leaf, and in a small dose it acts like a stimulant or a painkiller, but in a large doses what it does? It blocks the function of the automatic nerves. It blocks the function of the automatic nerves, etc. And studies have shown that just for few milligrams of it, like 1 to 2 milligrams of nicotine is more than enough to attract you. It's more than enough to pull you into addiction of using of tobacco. It made us feel good. And what happened then? You know. You know, right? I'll tell you. So when someone smokes, the nicotine is getting absorbed and it reaches through the lungs into our bloodstreams. And where then? How we smoke, how we eat tobacco? Smokers will do like this, and some who eat khynnah, they'll put it inside like this and chew it directly. And there, when it goes into the lungs, from our airways to the lungs, you know that we have two lungs, okay? One from right, one from left. Then it enters to our lungs, and from our lungs to the bloodstreams, and then to the brain neurons. Directly to the brain neurons in just few seconds. In just few seconds. Nicotine travels so fast in our body, and in just few seconds, it doesn't take not even half an hour. In just few seconds, study says. So, when it happened like that, what will happen to our body? There is a physiological changes in our body. That changes, student, that changes. Some people might not understand it. Because why? You might never know. You feel, oh, I'm like the same. After taking few puffs of cigarette, I feel good, I feel the same, You cannot feel that change then and there. And what happened? What happened then? People began to have the pleasure of taking tobacco. They feel good. Oh, I'm normal as I am. Nothing happened to me, so let me try again. That is the immediate pleasurable reaction. Please remember, student, the immediate pleasurable reaction of the nicotine happens in our body in just few minutes, from the lungs to the bloodstream to the brain, and it makes us feel good, which is just for temporary.